We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Hi, this is Secretary Larry Gadon. Binabati ko ng happy birthday si Edward, ang leader ng BBM Warriors Italy. At kamusta rin sa inyo lahat dyan? BBM loyalist, no? Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa ating mahal na Pangulo Bongbong Marcos. Okay? Edward, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.